Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And in our last video, we laid the foundation by discussing what is LLM agent and its model integration. Now we are taking a huge leap forward, building a truly robust, reliable and scalable AI agent. AI system using a LLM model requires more than just good prompts. It requires workflow design. So we are diving into 5 essential LLM workflow design patterns that are crucial for building enterprise scale AI applications. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the 5 workflow design patterns. So first one is prompt chaining. Prompt chaining is the simplest design where you decompose a complex task into fixed sequential subtasks. As you see in the diagram, the output of LLM1 becomes the input for LLM2 and it goes as so on. The gate block ensures a transition or validation between steps. This pattern is great for tasks with a clear predefined progression, like summarizing a document and then extracting keywords from that summary. So next we have routing. The key idea here is separation of concerns. An LLM router a module takes the initial input and intelligently directs it to a specialized subtask or LLM, that is LLM 1, 2, or 3. For example, if the user asks a question, the router decides if it should go to the code generation LLM or the fact retrieval LLM. This makes the overall system more efficient and accurate because each LLM is fine-tuned for a narrow task. Now we will see the third types, that is parallelization. So when a task can be broken down into independent parts, why run them after one another? Why not at once? Because this pattern involves a coordinator that breaks the input, runs multiple subtasks concurrently using different LLMs, and an aggregator that combines the result back into a final output. This is excellent for reducing latency where processing large inputs such as getting 3 different summaries of a long article and then combining the best parts. Now we will see the fourth one, that is orchestrator worker. So orchestrator worker is for dynamic and complex tasks. Unlike fixed routing, the orchestrator dynamically decides which LLMs or worker to use, how to sequence them, and even what their input should be based on the evolving context. And here we can see the synthesizer. So what the work of synthesizer actually is. So let's look at that. At the end, the synthesizer at the end brings all the dynamically generated outputs together. Think of this as the brain that manages a complex project involving research, drafting, and review all in one workflow. So it's very interesting. Now the not final thing, and we are going to discuss about evaluator optimizer. So it is a very crucial part, which is all about improving the reliability of the output. Here, an LLM generator creates the initial solution, but as a separate LLM evaluator validates it. If the output is rejected, the evaluator provides feedback back to the generator for another attempt, a self-correction loop. This process repeats until an accepted output is generated, drastically reducing hallucinations and errors. And here and that's the wrap on the 5 essential LLM workflow design patterns. Understanding and implementing these patterns, that is prompt chaining, routing, parallelization, orchestrator worker, and evaluator optimizer, will be the difference between a simple demo and a production ready AI system. So, which pattern are you more excited to try in your next project? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dives into AI, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep building.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.